Everyone is looking for support to keep themselves and their families above the wellness line. Hi, I'm Sheila O'Reilly, independent distributor for Young Living Essential Oils. My family, husband, kids, and grandkids, and I use essential oils to support our minds, bodies, and spirits. Essential oils are extracts from plants. This liquid is actually the lifeblood or immune system for plants. They have a vibrational frequency as do our bodies, so the oils speak the same language as our bodies. I trust Young Living Essential Oils. They give us a seed to seal quality promise. Plus, I've been to their headquarters and a lavender farm where I planted seeds and witnessed the oil distillation process. There are 3 ways to use essential oils. You may use Young Living's high-quality Vitality tagged oils internally in drinks, food, or capsules. You may put a couple of drops directly on your skin, topical usage, and you may use the oils aromatically by inhaling the precious molecules via a diffuser or from the palms of your hand. Young Living's Essential Oils Premium Starter Kit has a variety of essential oils to meet most of the daily needs for a family. It is only $165, a small investment for your family's wellness. It includes a diffuser and 12 essential oils. Thieves Vitality. Remember, the Vitality tag indicates this oil may be used internally. Thieves Vitality is a great one to use regularly for immune support. It smells amazing, like cinnamon and clove with a hint of lemon, and works wonders. Make a wellness tea with 2 drops of Thieves Vitality, coconut oil, and honey. Lavender. Before bed, rub a few drops into your palms, over the pillow, the back of your neck, and the bottoms of your feet. Or put 4 to 8 drops in your diffuser to unwind after a long day and to promote a restful night's sleep, health, love, peace, and a general sense of well-being. Peppermint Vitality is perfect for focus in the office or during study time. Use for an afternoon pick-me-up or in a tea to curb your appetite. Put a drop in a glass of water to support a healthy digestive system or to support your workout. Only use glass or stainless steel drinking cups for essential oils. Panaway is perfect for your gym bag. A blend of wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint make working out a little more bearable. Keep this one handy. Keep your joints happy. Peace and Calming is a gentle, sweet blend of ylang-ylang, orange, tangerine, patchouli, and blue tansy, and is one of Young Living's most popular essential oil blends. Apply to wrist and inhale or diffuse it when you are feeling on the edge or for kids at bedtime. Raven is a powerful blend of Ravensara, lemon, peppermint, wintergreen, and eucalyptus radiata. Apply topically to lungs and throat. Diffuse or put on your pillow at night. Valor is a deep blue blend of black spruce, camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium that smells amazing. Inhale or wear it to boost courage, confidence, and self-esteem, as I did to ride my first zip line. Use Valor before a presentation, going to an event, or engaging in nerve-wracking activities, or every day to feel confident. Stress Away. This one does exactly what you think, and we all need it. A blend of copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, ocotea, and lavender gives it a sweet vanilla citrus scent. Take the little roller top from your kit and put it on this one to make a convenient roller ball for on the go. Frankincense is grounding and great for meditation and balancing emotions. Combine a drop of frankincense and lavender in your daily moisturizer, and you will be amazed at the appearance of your skin. Lemon Vitality. Put a drop in your water for a hint of flavor and a gentle detox. This oil supports your detox organs and can also help with an afternoon energy boost. Citrus Fresh Vitality is a blend of orange, grapefruit, mandarin, tangerine, lemon, and spearmint essential oils. It can be used to add zest to chicken, salmon, and gourmet salads or a simple glass of water. Citrus Fresh Vitality can also provide an internal boost with its antioxidants and cleansing properties. Digest Vitality is everyone's favorite because it works so well as a digestive support powerhouse. It's a blend of tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli, which is a perfect partner to any meal. Never leave home without it. Ninja Red is a dietary supplement that helps support normal blood sugar levels, provides support for normal eye health, cellular function, and energy levels. It is 25% Ninja Wolfberry Puree, which is a wellness-supporting superfruit with an incredibly high antioxidant rating. Get your kit today. Find me, Sheila O'Reilly, on Facebook, or email me at backyard@frontiernet.net, or go directly to youngliving.com to enroll as a wholesale member and get a great price on the premium starter kit. Please use my referral number 2596101 in the enroller and sponsor fields, as I would be honored to guide you in your quest to live above the wellness line.